Hello, everyone. Dr. Moore here. Let's talk communication. Now, when you think about communication, sometimes we forget that that's the most important thing that you can actually do in an organization, in your life, or whatever it may be. Communication is so important. Communication is detrimental if it's not done properly. Communication can be a win-win if it's done properly. So one of the things that I want y'all to remember when you think about communication, remember the system of communication. Remember you have your sender, which is communicating the message, encoding, and then you have the channel. That's the most important part of a communication, is to remember that you must use the appropriate channel to make sure that your message is being relayed in the way that you want it to be relayed. So you have your channel. It can be email, text message, verbal, video conference, whatever it may be. Then you have decoding, and then you have your receiver. Then you have this thing called noise. Noise is so important. Noise don't necessarily mean the noise that's outside what you hear in your ear, but noise is what you hear. You can look at in your mind, or whatever a person is going through psychologically. So you want to make sure that when you're dealing with communication, that you go back before you actually transmit that message. Go back and review it to make sure that it's transmitted in the way that you want it to be. So when you think about noise, you think about your feelings, your emotions, all these things that's coming into play when you're delivering a message. Then you got to know your audience. That's so important to know your audience as well. So think about communication. Think about how you understand the system of communication. What is the appropriate message for the channel that you're using? Then don't forget about the noise in your communication. This is Dr. Moore, and I briefly went over communication. Thank you.